Now we're going to talk about the fundamentals of object-oriented programming, or OOP, in Python. OOP is a powerful paradigm that allows us to structure our code and objects around their interactions. Now before we get into coding, let's understand the importance of object-oriented programming in Python. Object-oriented programming enables us to create modular, reusable, and organized code. It allows us to model real-world entities as objects, which have attributes or data and behaviors as methods. By encapsulating data and methods together, we can build more maintainable and scalable programs. Let's start by learning how to write a class, which serves as a blueprint for creating objects. In this code snippet, we define a class called car using the class keyword. A class acts as a template that defines the properties and behaviors of objects. In our example, we create a basic class with no attributes or methods. Once we have a class, we can create objects, also known as instances of the class. In this code snippet, we create two objects, car1 and car2, by invoking the class as if it were a function. Each object is independent and has its own set of attributes and behaviors. We can create as many objects as we need from a single class. Now, let's enhance our class by adding attributes and methods. In this code snippet, we define the car class with a constructor method in it. Right here. The constructor is invoked automatically when we create an object. It initializes the object's attributes, make, model, and year using the provided values. We also define two additional methods, startEngine and drive, which represent the behaviors of the car objects. We create two car objects, car1 and car2, and invoke their methods. One of the key features of OOP is inheritance. Inheritance allows us to create new classes based on existing ones. In this code snippet, we create a new class called electric car that inherits from the car class. The electric car class inherits all the attributes and methods from its parent class. We can also add new attributes and methods specific to electric cars, such as the charge method. We create an electric car object and demonstrate how it inherits and extends the behaviors of the car class. And that concludes our tutorial on object-oriented programming in Python. We covered the basics of creating classes, creating objects, adding attributes and methods, and using inheritance. With this knowledge, you can apply object-oriented programming principles to structure and organize your code effectively.